How to disable apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off specific apps that you don't want running on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all your installed applications. Following that, you'll see a list of all apps on your device. Now, find the app you want to disable and tap on it. Moving forward, you'll be taken to the app info page showing storage, permissions, and other details. Afterwards, look for the Disable button at the bottom of the screen. In addition to that, some system apps will show Disable while third-party apps show Uninstall. Once there, tap on Disable to turn off the app. Subsequently, a warning message will appear explaining that disabling the app may cause other apps to misbehave. Moreover, read the warning carefully before proceeding. Afterwards, tap Disable App or OK to confirm your choice. Then the app will be disabled and will no longer run or receive updates. Within your app drawer, the disabled app will no longer appear or function. Alternatively, if you want to re-enable the app later, go back to the same app info page and tap Enable. Once disabled, the app won't consume battery, data, or storage until you enable it again. And that's it. If this app disabling guide helped you optimize your device performance, leave a like, subscribe for more Android customization tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.